All right, here is the next revision. When we go to this, we put our, not the bottom, the top, we put it together. It looks pretty good, except we got this one corner right here that's obviously not right. Okay, that's way bigger. That's not any problem of our curve, because that's way bigger than 6 thousandths. So that means our side, something's wrong with this little thing on our side. So we go back to the top parts, Part Studio, and I already have it open. So here's the sketch 2 for the side. And I go down here, I see this is 0.125 on this end, and I look here, and it's way not the same. So what's the problem here? Well, first of all, 0.125 is not correct because it has to be 6 thousandths bigger than 0.125. So if I'm going to, I have this, okay, so anytime you start going making these changes, you got to make sure that the 1.006 or whatever the height is solid, and whatever the width is solid. This 3.06 is based on a solid number. Otherwise, it'll start changing the whole size of the piece if it wants to, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this and this, and we're going to make this the size we know it's supposed to be, which is 1/8, 0.125. What's going on here? Plus 125 thousandths plus 6 thousandths is 131 thousandths. 631. So let's see if that did it. Nope, still not right. So we got another problem somewhere. Oh, I've already done this. So just to make it less time consuming, I found out that this was not the same as all these for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm going to change that to, that's supposed to be 0.244. I expect I'm going to get an error message. Let's see what happens. What did it change? Okay, it changed something that I didn't want it to change. I can guarantee that. Because this didn't change. That means something else changed along here. One of these probably changed. But looks like that got shorter right there. So let's Control Z, let's undo that. The reason it changed one of these is because I still have this defined. It's going to stay that. I want that gone. I want this to change, not something else. So now let's make this 0.244 and exchange this. Remember, this is 0.131. Let's see what this is now. Life is good. There it is. Okay, so that was my mistake. And that's how you go about making corrections. Now, if I go back to here, let's see if we have a corner that looks better. There you go. Still sticks over a tad, but remember, this is going to be cut away. This is not going to be cut away. So that will flush up in the end. Okay, there's edit 2 to the side piece.